There shouldn't be any provision for cycling because people who cycle don't pay for the roads. Well, that's like saying pedestrians shouldn't be allowed any sidewalks because they don't pay for them. Do you see how dumb that sounds? It doesn't matter if you bike, drive, walk, or transit, we're all paying the same taxes that contribute towards keeping a city maintained and running. Show me the special tax that motorists pay that go directly to maintaining and building roads. People who cycle most likely do not get around solely by bike. Therefore, they're probably paying transit and car taxes just like everybody else. It's all about having options and being able to supplement your transportation when it fits your needs. And having a larger active transportation network is a win for everyone. But it's a myth that motorists are the one paying specific taxes that go directly to roads. Thanks for watching. Follow us and our friends over at Hub Cycling for more active transportation myth debunking, and happy riding.